Is that the one that had the sweet potato before?
Yeah, or no, the one that's running had grabbed it, but
dropped
she
it.
is the one who got jumped on. And then she took off with it.
So which is the one that has not gotten a sweet potato?
The one that's running.
Like crazy.
Every now and then I look back there and I have a slight heart attack because I can't see the wiring. So that's the one that had the sweet potato before.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now she's being smart and going into the... Oh, she hit it.
Conniving little wolf. Uh-oh. This is not gonna end well.